field of shadows, where flowers stand like trees, by the cover of a willow. He got down on his knees. He buried all of his hopes and dreams there beside the quiet stream, and waited for the summer to make him bloom. With the shovel in his sore hands, he dug a hole so deep, and he took his dream plants and sat him down to sleep. The secret thoughts, yeah, they all went down, buried in the stony ground, and waited for the summer to make him bloom. Maybe hope is shallow, 'cause nothing ever grew. The ground laid fallow, only dirt beneath his shoe.